Hello students, welcome to class. Welcome to science class. Today is Friday, September the 4th, 2020. As you remembered, yesterday I told you that today we're going to have a presentation. So what you're going to do today is that you're going to present the investigation that you made about the 3 important facts of water importance. So what you're going to do is that if you didn't present today, you're going to record a video and you're going to tell me the 3 important facts of water importance. So let's start. What you're going to do first is that you're going to say good morning, teacher and classmates. It's a pleasure for me to be here with you. I am a 3rd grade student, and then you're going to say your name. My name is Mayri Paola Garcia. Today I'm going to tell you 3 different reasons why water is important to our bodies. Then you're going to start to explain the 3 reasons why water is important. So, for example, water is important to our bodies because help us with the digestion. Then, water is important because regulates the temperature of our bodies. Or water is important because prevent headaches. All those things. And that was everything that you have to do. You're just going to say the 3 reasons why water is important to our body. I hope you study. I know that you're a great student and you're going to do your best. So, let's do our best. I hope you're going to do a great job. You are a star student, so I know that everything is going to be perfect. See you until Monday. Until next class, have a nice weekend. Enjoy your weekend with your families and friends. Please keep safe at home and stay with the ones that you love. Blessings from the Lord, from me, and from God. See you until next class.